In this video, I'm going to show you how to style your text quickly and easily in Microsoft Word using the Styles feature. Whether you're working on a school assignment, a work report, or just want your document to look more polished, using styles can save you time and give your text a professional finish. Let's get started. First, open the Word document you want to work on. If it's not already open, locate the file on your computer and double-click to launch it. Once your document is open, take a look at the content and decide which sections would benefit from styling. For example, you might want to make headings stand out, highlight quotes, or emphasize key points. Next, select the text you want to style by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. If you have multiple sections to format, repeat this process for each one. With your text selected, go to the Home tab at the top of your screen. This is where you'll find the Styles group, usually located to the right of the font and size options. In the Styles section, you'll see a row of style options such as heading, title, subtitle, quote, and emphasis. Hover over each style to see a live preview on your text. Selecting a style instantly changes your text's appearance, adjusting things like font, size, and boldness, which is perfect for differentiating headings from body text or highlighting important sections. If none of the preset styles fit your needs, you can create your own custom style for full control over font, color, spacing, and alignment. There's also a clear formatting option to remove any style and start fresh. To access more advanced options, click the small arrow in the corner of the Styles group to open the full Styles pane. Once you've applied your chosen styles, you'll notice how much more organized and visually appealing your document looks. Using styles not only makes your work professional, but also helps maintain consistency throughout your document and speeds up formatting. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can transform any plain document into a well-structured and polished piece of work. Keep practicing, and soon styling your Word documents will become second nature. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials.